Hi all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to build NextTime 75 keyboard. It is a $50 keyboard and it is a hot swappable with a 75% layout. So this is right here. This is the keyboard, which is, you can see here, NextTime, and behind is their logo, NextTime. Okay, alright, so let me prepare to set the table out for the build. So this build is actually for a friend of mine also. He's interested in a 75% keyboard which is having the FN keys and also the arrow keys. And this one, what's so special about this keyboard is this has a arm knob. So let's take a look at the keyboard. So you can see here from the box, a simple white box, no sign of anything. So let's take a look inside. Okay, so in the box, straight away we can see the keyboard, which is right over here. Let's have a take a look. Ta-da. So this right here is the keyboard. So as you can see here, just a plate, the keyboard with the knob 75%, FN keys and the arrow keys right here. Okay, so in the box there's nothing else. Let me take a look here. Oh, okay. So they do provided a Type C cable, but it's not braided, just a normal Type C cable. Okay. And also the keycap puller, and also I believe this is the knob, a plastic knob for this one. Yup, looks like it. Okay. Alright, so let me put the box aside and have a closer look at the keyboard. Okay, as we can see here, it's a hot swappable keyboard with a 5-pin and RGB facing north. This look nice on the surface, look very nice, very smooth. It's not textured, it's nice. And one of the special features of the NextTime 75 is this knob. And one of the special thing is it is a hot swappable. You can actually pull it out and get one of these knobs and replace it. So it's an extra layer of customization right here. So the layout, as you can see, is exploded. So you can see that the function rows is sitting above of the main keyboard, and also the side row is not connected to the main keyboard. As you can see right over little here, the arrow keys is living on themselves. They're grouped together and living on this one small little island right over here. So this is quite nice, as you can give us some, a spacious view, better than a normal compact keyboard. Okay, so the keyboard, as you can see, that it also comes with the stock steps over here. So that's quite good for those newcomers. And then let us take a look around the keyboards. So you can see here, the keyboard is already has slightly angled, and also from at the back you can see the Type C is in the middle. So for those of you that are planning to have the wired cord, so you couldn't have a very long cord wire if not you'll be extruding a bit. So roughly the wired cord should be around 15 to 16 cm will be perfect. Alright, okay, so the side, the similar things, there's nothing really, no design or anything here. It's very good if you want to do like a decal on this one. And then at the back you can see one big NextTime, their logo here with a solid engrave to the bottom. Alright, so let's take a look at inside of this keyboard. And if I will see over here, the top can be taken off. So there's some of these screws right there. Just need to know where are them, and then you could easily peel off the keyboard. So one of the things I always noticed that it looks right here, you can see that it's already been padded at the side, at the few of the corners, it's already been padded. So there's something nice to see. And then let's take a look at the keyboard. Okay, alright. From the inside, I could see that it already has some form of paddings at the bottom. Let me take a look and see. As you can see right here, it's not like a very thick foam. You can see that's roughly around 0.5 centimeter thick, and it's not really hard it's kind of soft padded at the bottom here. This is something that is really interesting, and see at the middle here, you can see it also has a layer of pads, and also it is fitted. You can see there's a plate in the middle, which is, I believe, is a soft material. Yep, it's a soft material. It's sponge. It's made of sponge right over here. Yep. So it's kind of nice to see a $50 keyboard that have put so much padding into it. Okay. This one does look really nice, as the case is only just a clip on, and it does not need any tools or screw to unscrew it. It is quite nice. Okay, so for this build we are actually going to use oops, one moment. Oh, okay, alright. You can see right over here, you can see there's a slightly longer pin right here, which is need to be at this place, need to match with this side of the knob to put it in. Okay, alright. So for this build, we are going to, this is the keyboard we are going to use with Akko Ocean Blue. So let us take a look at this one. Akko's products are always presentable, especially the unboxing part. As you can see here, Akko, it's really nice for Switch that they would have so much presentation for their products. So you can see here, these are the switches, a layer of plastic to prevent any damage. One moment. Tight fit. Okay, so these are the switches that we'll be using for this build. So as this keyboard is more than 40, it's roughly has quite a few numbers of switch, and one of these boxes only have 45 each. So it needs 2 boxes for this build. So let me quickly open the box up. Can see here, Akko Ocean Blue. Okay, I will write down the price for this on the screen, so that you all can have a reference on how much roughly this keyboard might end up building at. Okay, alright, so let me put aside the switch you'll need to use later. Okay, last but not least, the keycaps that we are going to use on this build. So this is I can't really remember what's the name of this keycap. I will put it down in the description and also on the video. I can't really think of it on top of this head, on top of my head. Okay, so this is I believe it's snow GMK, no, not GMK snow. I'm not sure what snow is this, but this is the keyboard for the build. My friend specifically requested for a blue theme to suit for his table, so we'll be having this keycaps on these keyboards with these blue switches, so you can see a blue theme around this keyboard. Okay, alright, so let's start the build. So this is the Akko Ocean Blue. As you can see here, this is a tactical switch, and these are the specs for it. Alright, so we are done here, right here. Alright, so let us test the keyboard. As you can see here, the keyboards are all lit up and it is RGB, so I believe there is a software to do some of these configurations. Okay, alright, so let's hear the switch. Okay, alright, looks like we are done fixing the keyboard. Do notice that some of the keys that is not very usual, so you need to have the full set of the keys, the 128, and make sure that only you are able to fit all of these, especially this shift and this alternate function and the home screen and the windows, I mean. Yeah, this all this you need to take a note so when you are building this keyboard. Alright, okay, continue on. So guys, so this is the NextTime 75 with Akko Ocean Blue keyboard. If you all like my content, do help to like and subscribe if you haven't been subscribed. I'll be creating more of this content soon. I do hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you very much and hope you all have a nice day. Goodbye.